If you're planning to upgrade your computer or you're simply curious about your storage, the first thing you should know is whether you're using an SSD or an HDD. In this video, let me show you 3 quick ways to check that in Windows 11 computer. So the first method is through right-clicking on Start menu, then open Run dialog. Type the following command and click OK. When Optimize Drives window opens, look at the Media Type column. This will tell you if your drive is listed as a solid-state drive or a hard disk drive. Now for the second method, right-click on any empty space on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Open Performance tab, then select Disk 0 or whichever disk you want to check. Now look down at the bottom right corner, and that's where you will see your drive type. For me, it shows HDD. The third method is through Windows PowerShell. So open PowerShell, then type the following command and hit Enter. You will see a media type column that shows whether your drive is an SSD or an HDD. So these are 3 simple ways to check whether your Windows 11 computer is using an SSD or an HDD.